Next one, problem based upon the operations research topic, that is waiting line or quenching theory. Okay, waiting lines or quenching theory, both are same only. In the railway, okay, here it is given railway meshach yard, goat goods trains arrive at a rate of 30 trains per day. Okay, now goods means it's contains some food item. Okay, na good trains means contains some food item. Arrival rate 30 trains per day first time it is given. So whenever, then you have to write down the lambda is equal to how much value is given. Lambda is equal to 30. Okay, na per day is given, per day is given. What is given here? Per day is given. So whenever it is given per day, what you have to do here, it is given in per day. So next step, whenever it is given in days, what you have to do, 30 write down as it is, 30 write down as it is. What you have to do, 30 per day, then 60 into 24. So if you solve this, 1 by 48. Okay, na trains, traine, trains per minute, minute minute. How much? Lambda is equal to how much? 30 per day. So 30 into 60, 30 by 60 into 24, 30 by 60 into 24, 1 by 48 trains per minute, 1 by 48 trains per minute. Next, what is given here? Assume that the inner arrival time followed by a exponential distribution and the service time, the time taken by a jump a train. Distribution is always exponentially with the average of another is given. So this one you have to take as the mu. What you have to take this one as the mu. So mu value is given. Mu value is 1 by 36 minute. Okay, na 1 by 36 trains, trains trains per minute. What you have to write? 1 by 36 per train per minute, 1 by 36 trains per minute. Okay, na both the values you got. What is the got? First one, first you got the value of lambda. Lambda is equal to how much? 1 by 48 per minute, okay, na minute minute. And mu is equal to how much? 1 by 36 trains, train per day, per, this is also minute, this is also minute, it is given in minute. So this one is also minute. Okay, na lambda is given and mu is given. Lambda is given or mu is given. Lambda value is equal to 1 by 48 per minute and mu value is equal to 1 by 36 per minute. Lambda is given and mu is given. Lambda is given and mu is given. First you have to find out the traffic, traffic, traffic intensity. What you have to find out? Traffic intensity. How to find out traffic intensity? That is mu is equal to lambda by mu. Okay, now this is the formula for finding the traffic intensity. So mu write down as that is. Lambda value is given in your question. How much that is? Lambda value 1 by 48 divided by, this is the value how much? 1 by 36. So mu is equal to 36 by how much? That is 48. So how much you will get? 0.75. How much you will get? 0.75. So traffic intensity value, traffic intensity value is 0.75. Traffic intensity value is this one. This is the formula for lambda and this is the formula for mu. Mu is equal to this, lambda is equal to this, and traffic intensity is this. Mu is equal to this, lambda is equal to this, and traffic intensity you got. Now the thing is that remaining things you have to find out. The remaining things you have to find out. What are the remaining thing? First one is the, what are the remaining thing? Probability, first one, expected quenching size. First one you have to find out expected quenching size, that is line length. Then probability that the quench size extend to 10. For second one is the probability of in the last video it is given as 2, but here it is given as 10. So rho to the power of n, rho to power of n means rho to power of 10, n value is equal to 10. If the input of the train increased to the average value 33 per days, how much it is given? 33 per days. What will be the change in the 1 and 2? What will be the change in the 1 and 2? In place of that, what you have to take? 33 you have to take. Lambda value how much you have to take? 33. Previously how much, but you are taking lambda value 30. By taking 30 you find out this one. Now you have to take the 33 and you have to find out this one. So first we'll try to find out the first bit. Okay, first bit, what you have to find out? Expected quench size. Expected, 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 queue, quench, size is side. Expected quench size can be write as ls, that is rho by 1 minus rho. So that is the rho is equal to how much? 0.75. that is, and this one value is equal to how much? 1 minus 0.75. If you solve this one, how much you will get? 3 trains. How much you will get? 3 trains. Okay na, this is the expected queue size. Okay na, expected queue size. This is the value for expected queue size. What is the value? Row by 1 minus row. 0.75 by 1 minus 0.75. How much it is? 3 trains. How much it is? 3 trains. This value is given. Now second value, you have to find out the second bit. You have to find out the second bit. Second bit, what is given? PRO PAPILITY, probability that the quench size, okay na, exit, probability that the queen size is exit, probability that the queen side is exists to 10. So here what you have to write? P n is equal to 10 or n is greater than 10, that is rho to the power of n, then rho value is equal to 0.75 whole to the power of 10. If you solve this one, 0.056, how much you are getting value? 0.056. Then third bit he is asking to find out the third bit. Now in place of that one, okay na, in place of that one, what you have to change? You have to change the scenario. Now input increased to 33. Previously the input is equal to how much? Previously the lambda value is equal to how much? 30 is there. Now it is increased to how much? It is 33. How much it is there? Increased to how much? It is 33. Previously how much is the lambda value? 30 is there. Now it is increased to how much? 33. Now it is increased to how much? 33. So what you have to do? Lambda value is equal to how much? 33. Lambda value is equal to how much? It is given 33. Lambda is equal to 30 and lambda value is equal to how much is there? 33. So again you have to find out lambda is equal to 33. What is given here? Days. 33, how much it is given? Days. So lambda is equal to 33 by 60 into what you have to write? 24. Okay na? So here you will get the answer 11 by 480. 11 by 480 trains per day. Okay na, 11 by trains per minute. How much is there? MINUATE. 11 by 480 trains per minute. Lambda, mu value, that one only you have to take old. What is that value? 1 by 36 trains, TRAINE, trains per minute. Mu value is that one only old, that is lambda value is given and mu value is given. Lambda value is given and mu value is given. So again you have to find out the traffic intensity. TRAFFIC, traffic, INTENSITY, traffic intensity. So lambda by mu is equal to how much? This is 11 by 480. How much? 11 by 480. Then 1 by 36. Then mu is equal to how much you will get? 0.83. New traffic intensity, you got the value. New traffic intensity, you got the value of new traffic intensity. Again you have to find out. Again you have to find out that one. You got the value of traffic intensity. Lambda is given, mu is given. Again you have to find out traffic intensity. Lambda by mu. Lambda value is 11 by 480 and mu value is 1 by 36. Then 0.83 traffic intensity, you got the value of 0.86. How much you got? 0.86. Okay na, 0.86. Now again you have to find out these two things only. First you have to find out the expected queue size. You have to find out expected queue size, that is mu by 1 minus mu. Then you have to find out the probability that the system size extend to 10. What? Again you have to find out that things only. So first I am finding expected queue size. Okay na, expected queue size. So again in second bit, here you have to check the second bit. In the second bit, first one what you have to find? You have to find out the LS. You have to find out the value of LS. For finding the LS, mu by 1 minus mu by 1 minus mu. So here you will substitute the value. What is the value? 0.83 by what is the value? 1 minus 0.83. If you solve this one, how much? 5 trains. Okay now, how much it is? 5 trains. You have to write approximate. What you have to write? Approximate value, you got 5 trains. How much you got the approximate value? 5 trains. Like this you have to find rho by 1 minus rho, 0.83, 1 minus 0.83, how much it is? 5 trains. Next one you have to find out the second bit. You have to find out the second bit, that is P x is greater than or equal to 10 or equal to 10, that is row of n. N value is equal to how much it is given? 10 is given, that is 0.83 whole to power of 10. So how much you will get value? 0.115. Okay, na approximate this value also you will get the approximate 0.115. How much you will get? 0.115. Like this you have to find out. Okay, na previously the lambda value how much it is given in that question only, lambda value how much it is given? 30. Now the lambda value how much you have to increase? 33 days. 33 means again you have to find out whenever it is given days, whenever it is given days, whenever it is given gate 33 by 60 into 24. So 11 by 480 trains per minute. So mu value is equal to how much? 1 by 36 trains per minute. Traffic intensity again you have to find out, that is lambda by mu, that is lambda value is equal to this and mu value is equal to this you got. Then ls is equal to rho by 1 minus rho, you know the value of this one and this one substitute. Then p is x is greater than or equal to 10 rho to power of 10, n is equal to this. If you substitute you will get the value of this one. Previously you got the value expected ls value is 3 trains and expected quenching is equal to how much? 0.056. After increasing that ls value how much you got? 5 trains because n value is increased. Then expected frequency 0.155 expected you got like this. Okay, now like this you have to find whenever it is given. Yeah, like this you have to find out, you have to find out like this. Okay, now expected quenching size, probability that the size p, like this you have to find out whenever it is given. Okay, now